What is going on, guys? Allow me to start this video off by wishing each and every one of you guys a very happy new year. May 2019 be filled with all that is awesome and good for you guys. I am kickstarting my channel off this year with a bit of a channel refresher, and that is part of what it is that I'm going to be talking about in this video. The other part of this video is going to be about the latest upgrade I've done to my vlog setup. Now, coming back to the channel refresher, I've been giving this a lot of thought in the last year, and it's been bugging me a lot that every time I talk to people about my channel and then mention the channel name, they can't seem to draw the connection between the channel name and what it is that I'm trying to do with my channel. And that got me thinking that there's probably a lot of other viewers out there on YouTube who get exactly the same impression when they visit my channel page. So for this reason, I have been spending a bit of time thinking of a couple of alternatives that is more in line with what it is that I'm trying to do with my channel and speaks to the content of my channel. So I'll hopefully be narrowing that down and settling on a final alternative in the next couple of days, so do keep an eye out for that. Coming back to the second part of this video, now I've been getting a lot of comments from viewers in the last year about poor audio quality on some of my videos, and I've been promising that I'm going to be doing something about it. So hopefully you guys will have noticed that the audio quality on this video is much better. It is much cleaner, it is much clearer, crisper. There's very minimal background noise. There's hardly, if any, wind noise. And basically what I've done to achieve this is I have bought myself the external GoPro microphone adapter, as well as the compact Rode microphone, and it is working wonders. I hope that going forward this is going to allow me to produce much better quality videos for you guys, and that it's going to make the content a lot more enjoyable for you guys. So please do take some time and just drop me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the audio quality on this video. I'm going to be doing a quick test for you guys, and I don't think there's any better test than the exhaust note of a car. So I'm going to do a test showing you the difference between the internal GoPro microphone compared to my current setup now, just to give you guys an idea of the improvement in sound quality. Before I go on and do that test though, please do hit that like button if you are enjoying this video or if you're finding it helpful. And if this is the first time that you guys are visiting my channel, please do consider subscribing. It definitely is much appreciated. Until next time, guys, enjoy.